If you've ever wanted to send a private message on X, formerly known as Twitter, this video will walk you through it step by step. Direct messaging is a simple way to have one-on-one conversations, share links, ask questions, or continue a discussion without posting publicly on your timeline. So if you want to learn how to use x.com direct messaging quickly and easily, you're in the right place. And before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your X account in your browser or on the X app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar. This is where X keeps most of its main menu options. To open your inbox, click the chat icon on the left side. As soon as you click it, your direct messages inbox will open and you'll be able to see your existing conversations. If you already have active chats, they should appear right away in your inbox list. You can click any conversation to open it and continue messaging that person or group. This is useful if you want to reply to someone who has already messaged you, or if you want to pick up an older conversation and keep it going. Now, if you want to start a brand new conversation, look for the new message icon. This is the envelope icon with a plus sign. Click that button and X will let you begin a new direct message. From there, you can choose the person you want to message and start typing your private message. Once the message is ready, send it just like you would in any chat system. You can use direct messages to communicate privately instead of posting publicly, which is great for networking, customer support, collaboration, or simply having a more personal conversation. If you don't see the icon right away, take a moment to scan the sidebar carefully because X sometimes updates the layout depending on the device or account version. But the general process stays the same. Open the chat area, view your inbox, and use the new message button when you want to start fresh. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to open your X direct messages and start a new conversation using the chat and new message icons. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.